In this video, I will be revealing the top 5 movie apps for iPhone and iPads for streaming movies and TV shows for free legally. Now, number 1 on my list is called OSN Plus. You can easily find this app on your app store. So you can see with this app, you can actually stream a whole lot of movies and TV shows for free legally. And the best part about this app is that they actually have high quality content. So you can see they have a rich library of 4K content. So once you install this app, you'll be able to access a whole lot of movies and TV shows. The app is, like an alternative for, other apps like Netflix. So you guys have to give this a try. And the best part is that this app is totally legal and 100% legit. Now, the second app on my list is called Plex. Now, you can see this with Plex TV, you can actually discover new TV shows and movies. You can see so many stuff are available on this platform as well that you can actually watch. So you can see that. So you guys have to actually give this platform a try. And another cool thing about Plex TV is that they have a lot of live TV channels available for you to actually enjoy. You can see that. Watch all of our favorites, watch all of our live TV. So that means that there is a lot of live TV channels available on this platform as well for you to stream for free legally on your iPhone or on your iPad devices. Now, the third on my list is Amazon Prime Video. Now, we all know that Amazon Prime Video is quite, like a premium platform. But what you guys do not know is that with this app, you can actually access some free movies and TV shows that you can actually watch with ads, because there's now a new section in this Amazon app where you can actually watch a lot of free content. So let me show you guys. You won't actually see that when you are looking at it on the App Store, but if you go to your Play Store, so let me show you guys this thing in the Play Store. So if you go to the Play Store, let me zoom in on this image. You actually see that there's a new section that says with ads. What this means is that on this section, you can actually watch a lot of movies and TV shows for free, like totally for free with ads on this app. So if you don't have this app, you have to go and download this app, because right now they have a freebie section where you can actually watch a lot of movies and TV shows, and it's available for Android devices, and it's also available for Apple devices. And the name once again is Amazon Prime Video. So simply download it and look for the free with ads section, and you'll be able to stream in there for free. Now, if you are finding any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey. I'm really going to appreciate if you actually take some time to do that. Now, number 4 on my list is called Just Watch. And as you can see, this platform is actually very powerful. And also, this platform is quite popular as well, because they have a lot of categories from sci-fi to action to animation. So many stuff are available on this platform. You can find new and popular movies and shows in here. So you guys have to give this a try. Also, if you have a smart TV device, you can also go ahead and download Just Watch, and you'll be able to, access a lot of movies and TV shows in there legally. Now you can see the name of the app, Just Watch, and it's fully available on your app store for your iPhone and your iPad devices. Now, the fifth on my list is Pluto TV. Now, Pluto TV is quite popular because they have so many stuff available, from thousands of movies to hundreds of live TV channels. So if you are looking for live TV channels, entertainment, or you are looking for thousands of movies and TV shows, you can stream on this platform and pay never. You can clearly see it in here. Stream now, pay never, and it's totally legal and totally legit. So you guys have to go and give this platform a try. So let me see what other stuff they even have on this platform, because I know that this platform, they also have a lot of sports. So if you're a sports lover, you'll be able to find a lot of sports on this platform called Pluto TV as well. Now in this video, I've given you guys 5 apps that you can actually use to stream your favorite movies and TV shows. I give you guys OSN Plus, I give you guys Plex, I give you guys Prime Video, Amazon Prime Video. Then I also give you guys Just Watch, and lastly, I give you guys Pluto TV. So go ahead and stream from anyone that you actually want. It's 100% legal and 100% legit. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.